Today, I want to start with a simple question. Have you ever looked at an onion and thought, it is just a vegetable? What if I tell you that this one vegetable that makes you cry can actually make your body healthier, stronger, and more active in ways you never imagined? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand how onions can support your health and exactly how to use them for the best results. Let us begin. Onions are one of the oldest healing foods in the world. For thousands of years, people used onions not only in cooking but also as a natural support for the body. Modern research has now confirmed what ancient cultures already believed. Onions are packed with powerful compounds that help the heart, digestive system, skin, hair, immunity, blood sugar levels, and even sleep. To make this information simple and helpful, let us break it down step by step. First, let us talk about what makes onions so special. Onions contain natural antioxidants, sulphur compounds, quercetin, vitamin C, and many plant chemicals that reduce stress inside the body. These nutrients help lower inflammation. In simple words, eating onions can help your body feel lighter, cleaner, and more energetic. Now, let us explore the major health benefits of onions in detail. One of the biggest benefits of onions is their support for heart health. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions help improve blood flow. They help relax the blood vessels and support healthy cholesterol levels. This combination can help keep your heart strong over time. When your blood moves smoothly through your body, your heart has to work less, and that is very good for long-term health. The second benefit is that onions support your immune system. The vitamin C and natural antibacterial properties help your body defend itself. When you eat onions regularly, your body becomes better prepared to fight seasonal changes and everyday environmental stress. Another important benefit is improved digestion. Onions contain natural fibers that feed the good bacteria in your stomach. These healthy bacteria help your body digest food better. When your gut is happy, your mood, energy, and metabolism improve as well. Onions also support your blood sugar levels. The quercetin found in onions helps the body use insulin better. This is very important for people who want steady energy throughout the day without sudden crashes. Onions are also good for your skin and hair. Their natural sulfur supports healthy collagen production, which helps the skin stay smooth. It also supports the strength of your hair roots. This is why onion oil has become popular for hair care. It helps make hair look fuller over time. Finally, onions help reduce oxidative stress. This is the type of stress that slowly affects the cells inside the body. When oxidative stress reduces, your body feels more balanced and your daily energy improves. Now that we understand the health benefits, let us talk about the most important part: how to use onions for better results. The first method is eating raw onions in small amounts. Raw onions contain the highest amount of natural compounds. Adding a few slices of raw onion to your daily meals can give your body a strong dose of antioxidants. You can mix them in salads, sandwiches, or simple home dishes. The second method is cooking onions slowly. When you cook onions over low heat, the natural sweetness appears, and they become easier to digest. Cooking them does reduce some nutrients, but you still get many benefits. This is a great option for people who do not enjoy raw onions. The third method is making onion water. This is a simple home method that many people use. You can cut one onion, boil it in water for a few minutes, and then drink the warm water once it cools a bit. It supports digestion and helps your body stay balanced. You should use this method occasionally and not every day. The fourth method is using onion oil for hair. Onion oil is known for supporting hair roots and making hair look healthier. You can apply a small amount to your scalp, leave it for a short time, and then wash it off. Consistent use may support the strength of your hair. The fifth method is using onions in soups. When you add onions to soups, you get a warm, comforting meal that supports your body, especially during colder seasons. The sixth method is grilling onions. Grilled onions still hold many nutrients and give your body gentle sulfur compounds that support wellness. While onions are very healthy, it is also important to use them wisely. People with stomach sensitivity should start with small amounts. Also, avoid using onion water or onion juice too frequently. Remember, moderation is always the key to good health. Now, let us combine everything clearly. If you want better results from onions, choose the method that fits your daily routine. Eat small amounts raw, use them in cooking, apply onion oil for hair, or drink onion water occasionally. Over time, your body may feel lighter, your digestion may improve, and your energy may become more stable. Before we end, let me remind you that onions are a natural food, not a replacement for medical advice. If you have any medical condition, always consult a qualified professional. If you found this information helpful, now is the time for a small action that supports our channel and helps more people learn simple ways to live healthier. Please like this video and share it with someone who may benefit from this information. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming health videos. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Take care of your health, and I will see you in the next video.